Good evening. Today is April 11, 2024 Thursday, and here are the 7 p.m. SL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the STLs for 3 7 p.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for April 11, 2024 Thursday. Here are the STLs for 3 7 p.m. draw result for Mandaue City under Fiona Trading Supply Corporation for April 11, 2024 Thursday. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of April 11, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.